Welcome to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I will explore 5 of the best investments that can help you build wealth from a young age. I'll be talking about different types of investment and how they can potentially provide substantial returns for you. So let's dive in and discover how you can make the most of your money in your 20s. Number 1 is investing in stocks. Now, investing in stocks is a proven way to build wealth. Investing in the stock market means you're buying shares of a company, and buying shares of a company means you essentially own a small portion of that company. Now, investing in the stock market is one of my best types of investment, and every time I talk about investments in my videos, I always make mention of the stock market. Now, this year, 2024, is my 4th year of investing in the stock market, and I've been investing consistently in the stock market since 2020. And one thing I can tell you is that if you're planning to invest in the stock market, don't bother to expect huge returns in the first year, and that is just the truth. Just focus on investing consistently in the companies that you believe in, and after some years, you'll be making huge returns on your investment. Now, I'm not saying you won't make any money when you start investing in the stock market, but you might not make any reasonable profit at the beginning. But after some months and years, you should start making good returns on your money. Now, investing in the stock market also gives you the opportunity to grow with the company that you are investing with. You can choose to invest in an individual stocks or individual companies that you believe will grow significantly in the future, or alternatively, you can diversify your portfolio with exchange-traded funds, that is ETFs. Now, what is an ETF? An ETF allows you to invest in different companies at once, which can help you to spread out the risk or reduce your risk in the stock market. Now, this form of investment, that is investing in the stock market, requires a good understanding of the stock market itself, and you have to do some research to make informed decisions. And if you are looking to invest in the stock market, I will advise that you start with the Trove app or the Bamboo app. I have tutorials on these apps. The links will be in the description below. The second one is investing in real estate. Now, real estate investment is a long-term investment. There are different ways you can invest in real estate. It involves purchasing property as a long-term investment or getting into fractional real estate investments. Now, if you don't have the money to buy a property of your choice for investment, you can join investment with your friends to buy properties. Now, there are real estate investment companies out there who allow fractional investment where 2 or more people can come together to buy a property. So if you have friends who also have money and are willing to invest in real estate, fractional real estate investment will be a good option instead of waiting till when you can afford the property alone. And also, the value of your property could appreciate over time, and you could sell it later for a higher price for a significant profit. And apart from the potential property value appreciation of your investment, real estate can also provide you stable returns in the form of rental income. And again, this type of investment will require an understanding of the property market and the location where you plan to invest. The third one is investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained significant attention in recent years. They are a new form of digital currency that is decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. Now, you need to know that investing in crypto has high risk due to its volatile nature, and investing in crypto can also potentially yield high returns for you. Now, I've been investing in crypto since 2018 and I've made so much returns from investing in crypto. And even in 2023, I made quite a huge profit on my crypto investment, and I even made a video on how I made over $30,000 from different investments. Now, in the video, I also talked about the cryptocurrencies I invested in 2023 and how much profit I made from each of them. Now, the link to that video will be in the description below, so you can check it out. However, it's really important to do your research and understand the crypto market before you go into this kind of investment, because again, it is highly risky. The fourth type of investment is investing in mutual funds. Now, for those of you who might be new to investing, mutual funds are a well-established and effective strategy for building wealth. Now, when you invest in a mutual fund, you are buying a share of a large portfolio that is managed by professional investors. Now, this investment can contain a variety of different investments from stocks to bonds to real estate and so on, so as to provide diversification and spread out the risk. Now, many mutual funds out there also allow you to do automatic reinvestment of your dividends and your capital gains, which can help your investment grow over time. Now, it's really important to do your research and choose mutual funds that align with your risk tolerance and your financial goals. And also, having professionals to manage your investment combined with the power of compound interest can make mutual funds an excellent choice for long-term wealth building. And if you are looking to invest in mutual funds, you can check on the CarryWise app where you can invest in Naira mutual funds and Dollar mutual funds. The last investment you can do in your 20s is starting a business. Now, if you have a great business idea and you are willing to put in the hard work, then starting your own business could be the best investment of all. Now, it can be a profitable venture and also give you the freedom to be your own boss and make your own decisions. But however, it requires significant time commitment and there's always a risk that your business might not succeed. But with proper planning, proper research, and dedication, investing in starting your own business can bring you huge returns in the future. Now, I also have a video on the 5 profitable online business ideas you can start in your 20s. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. So you can check the video out to see some kind of business ideas you can do on the internet to make huge returns for yourself. So in conclusion, there are different pathways to building wealth in your 20s, and the best one for you will depend on your personal circumstances, your risk tolerance, and your financial goals. But the important thing is to start investing early, stay informed, and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Now remember that the goal isn't just to make money, but also to secure your financial future. Thank you for watching, and if you love this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode of Finance for 20s. Bye.